Well, good afternoon. We're at Cookology right now at Ballston Quarter. We're learning all about the power of team building and food. And this is Chef Olivia. What's going on here right now?
So today we got a little team building going on, just some very intense work going on, just a cool way to turn colleagues to friends.
And where does the power of food come into building a team?
Well, to me, food's like music. It's a language we all understand. It just tastes better. Plain and simple.
So tell us what the teams are going to be doing.
So today the teams are we give them a mystery ingredient. So we got a little coconut milk, baby carrots, and chocolate, and they're gonna make an entree dish, and they're gonna make a dessert, and they have to do it in 1 hour.
1 hour. What are you guys going to do with the chocolate chips?
I think we're going to drizzle it over the dessert, but don't tell the other team yet.
Okay, we won't tell them that. What are you guys planning to do with your chocolate chips?
We are going to make some white chocolate dipped strawberries.
Yes.
We won't tell them. Look, I've been to terrible team building events at my place of employment. This is fun. This is what I would want to do.
Yeah, and it gets really intense. Wait till the last 5 minutes. We play a song, and they're like, "Oh my God!" It gets crazy.
Yeah.
It gets super crazy.
That's awesome. If people want to find out how to get a hold of you guys and do this,
You're gonna go to cookologyonline.com and click our events tab.
and what are you going to do with the carrots? I don't even want to know. More of ABC 7 News coming up right after the break.